Testing Copilot manually takes hours. But with the new evaluation tool, you can test real scenarios in seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up, run evaluations, and improve accuracy faster. Let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're exploring one of the most important new features in Microsoft Copilot Studio, the evaluation engine. Earlier, testing Copilot meant endless manual prompts. But now, the evaluation feature lets us auto-test everything. Real scenarios, real responses, real accuracy, all in just a few clicks. I will show you step by step how it works. Let's get started. For instance, considering this is my upload multiple files agent, which I had created earlier, and if you go to this agent menu and expand this list, we can see a new menu item evaluation. I was just talking about this feature Microsoft just launched recently. By the way, as of now, the feature is in preview mode. In this video, we will discuss this feature and how to use it. With Microsoft's new evaluation feature, you can now test your Copilot like a real user would automatically. So let's click on this evaluation menu. As you can see, I've already created two sets of test cases. I can open these, show you the evaluation summary. The evaluation summary includes the score, execution duration, total test cases, test set, test account, and tested by information. So these are the test sets I have created and evaluated using the evaluation tool. I'll explain to you from the beginning how to create test sets and test cases. To create a new test set, click on the New Test Set option. We can create a test set in many ways, like we can create using AI. For example, generate 10 questions. Create questions using AI that are based on the agent's description, instructions, and capabilities. So whatever the description and instructions are configured for this agent. Based on that, the AI will create the top 10 questions as test cases. Then we have got another prompt. Use your test chat conversation. Gather the inputs and responses from your current manual testing session. So if you have tested your agent recently, from that chat session, your test cases will be created automatically. And using this, we can create test cases manually. Not only this, but we can upload a CSV file to evaluate our test cases. So if you have created your test cases in a CSV file in the expected format, you can upload the CSV file as well. This is the Microsoft documentation about this feature. You can go through this Microsoft documentation for more detailed information on how this evaluation feature works. In this demo, first, I'll show the AI-generated prompt to create 10 questions based on the agent description and instructions. I'll just click on this. Now, see, these are the 10 questions to test my agent, which are generated based on my agent description and instructions. This is the test method, and this is the expected response. This will be filled out after running the test cases with status like pass or fail. I'm just renaming this test set name. Then let's save it. Then I'll click on this Evaluate button. Now my test set will start running. This will take a couple of minutes to run. This will continue to run in the background. I'll open any of my previously completed test sets to show the result. This is the one I will open. And by the way, this one I have deleted, so it is showing the status as set deleted. Now I'll open this test set. As I said, we can see the score status as pass or fail for each test case. This is the question, and this is the agent response, and this is the test method, and then in the score we can see pass or fail. So based on these, the score in the evaluation summary is calculated. Now I'll show you how to create manual test cases. As of now, you have seen how the out-of-the-box, AI-based generated test cases work. This is running. This test set is created by uploading a test case CSV file. I'll show you how to upload a test case CSV file. I'll show you how to work with the CSV file again. I have already prepared a couple of test cases for my agent, and I will pick one of them to configure before uploading a test case CSV file. I'll click on the Add a Case Manually option, right? As I said, I prepared a couple of test cases in the form of questions. I'll pick any of them just to show you how to configure and how it works. So I'll just copy this. I have 15 files to upload. Can you take them? The default selected test method is quality. This method tests based on the selected criteria and then displays the results as a score. Under this, there are two qualities, general and compare meaning. General quality answers meet quality standards, such as relevance and completeness. It doesn't compare to expected responses. This is the default selection. The other one is compare meaning. With this, the answers have the same meaning as the expected response, even if they're worded differently. And you can write the expected response here right. In this demo, I'll go with this default quality selection that is general quality. Similarly, let's see what we have in the similarity method. In the similarity section, also, we can configure the expected response for a test case. The text similarity method measures how close the text of an agent's answer is to the expected response. However, it might miss differences in meaning. So this is what the similarity method is about. The next test method is text match. This method compares the text of each agent's answer to an expected response and then shows results as pass or fail. In this, we've got exact match and partial match. With the exact match, agent answers must match the expected response completely. Then we could set partial match here as well. With the partial match, it looks for matching words and phrases. Then you can set the expected response. So these are the configurations we have here while creating a new test case manually, right? In this demo, I'll go with the out-of-the-box configuration, which is general quality. Let's add this. I have saved this one. Let me click on this Evaluate button. It's running now. You can see all my test sets running status here. This is already completed. And this is running. Let me show you the evaluation summary report for this test set. We can see the score of this evaluation summary is 80%. We can see the score status of each test case as pass or fail. We can see the consolidated test case result in all tabs. And then we can see pass and fail in different tabs. We can see the message. Your evaluation results are ready. Now I'll show you how to upload a test case CSV file. Let's create a new test set. Click on the New Test Set option. These are the sample questions in the form of a test case. I've created for my multiple file upload agent. You need to create your test case CSV file in this format as shown here. The CSV should have question, test method, and expected response columns right. Then what I'll do is I'll just upload this CSV file. You can drag and drop your CSV file or upload it. Let me upload my test case CSV file. Let me rename this test set name. I just renamed it. I've saved this test set. Then let's click on the Evaluate button to run this. Now it's started running. Interesting, amazing tool. I really like it. You can see this test set dashboard with their run statuses. You can see the various action menus for each test set by clicking on the three dots. You'll get the action menu. Like Evaluate Test Set Again, Export Test Results, Rename Test, and Delete Test. This is running, and this will be running in the background until it gets completed. Lastly, I'll just show you whether my agent can upload a file in SharePoint or not. You can watch my detailed tutorial on how to upload multiple files in SharePoint using the Copilot Studio agent. You will get the video link from the comment section and from the pinned comment. I've uploaded my CSV file on my agent. It is processing to upload to the SharePoint document library. We can see that my file got uploaded in SharePoint, and it returned the document link. That's all for today. I hope this helped you understand how to use the new evaluation feature in Copilot Studio to test your agent more accurately and efficiently. This feature is valuable because it ensures your Copilot delivers consistent, reliable responses, which means better user experience, fewer errors, and higher confidence when deploying in real business environments. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more trending videos on Copilot Studio, Power Platform, and Microsoft 365. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.